Hello viewers, and for you today I have a special coin from the Cook Islands. This is one of the only triangular shaped circulating coins I'm aware of. If there are more, please let me know below in the comments. But this is a Cook Island $2 coin from 2015. It's in uncirculated condition. And this is the reverse, and that is the mortar and pestle. Has $2 on it. I'll show you the other side. And of course, being a British colony, it has Queen Elizabeth II on the back, with 2015 there below. Cook Islands. This coin is made of aluminum bronze. It is approximately 6.9 grams in weight, 26 millimeters in diameter, has a thickness of 2.4 millimeters. It is triangular, has a plain edge to it, and in that condition it's worth about $6. It's really a unique coin I have in my collection. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment below. And thank you for watching.